everybody, it's me, Josephine, here at Bert's Barracuda Harley Davidson, and I'm so excited to show you the hottest bike on the market. It is the 2022 Harley Davidson El Diablo. It is a Low Rider ST. It is an amazing motorcycle. This thing harkens back to 1983, the FX RT that everybody loved, which kind of sparked an entire artistic movement within Harley Davidson in Southern California feel and all of that. It's just a great bike with a paint style and everything on it. It of course has wonderful front forks here. It's got the big 117 motor. It's 103 horsepower and 125 pounds of torque. You've got this wonderfully painted, hand painted by Harley Davidson artisans on this whole scheme throughout here. Of course, the bags open like this. They are quick release if you want. They got plenty of room for whatever you want, so you've actually got two bikes in one. Up here in the front, you've got the cool Dynabro hardware here. It's so gorgeous, and of course it tells you your gauge. My favorite thing about it though, because you know I like music, Josephine likes music, it does has the built-in Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth speakers. These things are amazing. Put yourself your little phone right here and Bluetooth your favorite streaming station right through there. It sounds absolutely gorgeous. You've got it all right here, and you'll be the only kid on your block to have one because there's only 1,500 of these made, and this is the only one that we're getting here at Bert's Barracuda. So please come and see it today. You can test ride it, you can fall in love, and then I can sell it to you. To come see any of my sales professionals here. Ooh, check out the icons. Did you see that? The limited edition. That's right, one of 1,500 made. Gold wheels, incredible. Let's go for a ride and get me out of the house, okay? Once again, I'm Josephine here at Bert's Barracuda Harley Davidson. I look forward to seeing you soon.